Hey guys, this is an example of a Pop Feilong, or just Feilong for short. A Feilong is any trick that has an outside crescent kick followed by an inside crescent or round kick in the air. It's named after a Street Fighter character of the same name. This is the most commonly known Feilong, so in most common tricking scenes, if you say Feilong, this is the trick you are referring to. But this is specifically a Pop Feilong. You can do a cheat, swing, cork, full, and all kinds of other Feilongs. The best prerequisite for this trick is a Pop 360 kick, because it's the same trick, but you add a kick at the end before landing. I like to start combos with a Feilong to vanish into other tricks, or do a hook out of into a cart power trick. Train your Feilong a lot, and you will not only have a new trick, but you will be building a foundation for a double leg. Check back next week for an example of a double leg. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Please like the video and share it with your friends if it was helpful or entertaining. Subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you want me to do next. If you need help with any kind of movement, please message me on Instagram at zach.enso, or come out to Enso Movement in Raleigh, North Carolina and train with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, be patient, and keep training.